Good day. My name is Jessica C. Cardenas, and I will talk about protecting password in the digital age. Protecting your password is very important because many of our activities are online, such as social media, emails, online banking, and social accounts. Strong password helps prevent hackers from stealing your personal information. So avoid using the same passwords for different accounts so that if one's account is hacked, the others are still safe. You should log out from public computers and avoid saving your password on shared device. Be careful of phishing scams that ask for your password through fake messages or links. By making strong passwords and keeping them private, we can protect our file safety. And this is the tips of protecting your password. First, create your password strong. Second, don't share your password with anyone. Third, be aware of phishing and scams. Remember, using strong password and being careful online will help keep your accounts and personal information safe. And that's all. Thank you.